Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking to charge multiple things at once. Maybe you have a workstation at your home office and you're wanting to charge up your laptop, your phone, all your various different devices. And that is because it is a basically desktop fast charger. This thing is really, really awesome. So this was sent over by a company called UGREEN, and this is their Nexode model here. This is a 500 watt fast charger. Now you are going to obviously get some instructions that tells you about it, but we're covering here the features, all that this thing can do. Now you are going to get this big old power cord. This is how you're going to plug it into a wall. As you can see, it has some nice cord management, so when you're not utilizing it, you can go ahead and put it compact, so that way you can put it on a shelf and whatnot. Nice little thinner plug here. It is kicked off at a 45-degree angle, so it's not going to block the plug below it or above it, which is also nice. This is what the device looks like. Pretty compact when it comes to size. Give you an idea, it's about 2¼ inches in width. It's about 6 inches in depth and about 4 3/4 in height. And like I said, this thing is rated for fast charging multiple devices. So on here on the front, you are going to notice you're going to have 5 USB Type-C ports. Those are the ports that pretty much everything is going to nowadays. So all your phones, your tablets, all your various electronics. The top port is rated for 240 watts. So if you have a laptop plugged in or something like that, that is the port you want to do it. Go ahead and plug it into the top. All the rest of the USB-C ports are rated for 100 watts. Then at the very bottom, you'll notice they do have a USB-A port, which you can utilize. That is rated for 20 watts. Now, this thing does have 6 GaN chips in here. Now, what is a GaN chip? That is basically what is controlling the efficiency of how your devices charge. It's also helping with all the safety protections, because this thing has 11 safety protections built into it. And that's going to include things like overcharging, overheating, overcurrent, all that fun stuff that you want to protect your electronics. But if you have all these ports basically filled up, those chips are going to basically determine which wattage should go where, and it'll basically conform down to whatever you need, because this is rated, like I said, 500 watts max. So the more stuff you plug in, the slower speeds you're going to get as far as utilizing them. There's a ton of combinations. That is where the manual is nice, because it can show you those combinations if you care to know. But if you use any of the single ports, you're going to get those wattages that I mentioned. But overall, it's got a nice solid aluminum shell, has a nice non-slip feet, doesn't take up a lot of room on your desk. Very, very easy to set up, plug and play situation. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great way to charge up multiple devices at once, get rid of that cable clutter, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.